Hey everyone, today we're comparing three popular services for downloading and streaming: Debrid, Alldebrid, and Premiumize. Let's break them down and see which one's best for you. First up, Debrid. It's an unrestricted downloader that gives you high-speed access to files from tons of hosting sites. Perfect for Kodi users, it streams HD content smoothly and even has a web player for instant playback. It costs about €4 a month with no free trial, but it's super reliable for fast downloading and streaming. Next up, we have Alldebrid. This one's similar. It unlocks premium links for over 70 hosters and works great with Kodi or apps like JDownloader. It's the cheapest at around €3 a month, and you get a free trial to test it out. It's all about high-speed downloads on a budget with flexible payment options. Finally, there's Premiumize. It's more than just a downloader. It's a cloud service with 1,000 gigabytes of storage, a built-in VPN, and cool extras like RSS automation. At €9 a month, it's pricier, but it's a full package for streaming, storing, and staying private online. So, how do they stack up? Price-wise, Alldebrid wins at €3, great for budget users. Debrid, €4, gets you a solid mix of speedy and simplicity, while Premiumize is €9, adds VPN and cloud storage for power users. For features, Debrid and Alldebrid focus on fast downloading and streaming, but Premiumize throws in extras like privacy and automation. For performance, all three deliver high speeds, though it can depend on your location and the hosters they support. If you want cheap and basic, go Alldebrid. Need a reliable middle ground? Debrid's your pick. Love advanced tools? Premiumize is worth the splurge. That's it, guys. Pick on your budget and needs. Drop a comment with your favorite and like and subscribe for more tech tips.